Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Podcast English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emily. Hi, Alex. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Emily. I've been listening to a lot of music lately, so I'm in a good mood.
That's perfect because today's topic is talking about music, one of my favorite topics ever.
Absolutely. Music is something that connects everyone around the world. No matter where you are, there's always some kind of music that makes you feel something.
That's so true. So today we're going to have a long and fun conversation all about music, what we like, what we listen to, and how music is part of our lives.
So, Emily, let's start with a simple question. What kind of music do you like?
That's a good one. I like pop music the most. It's fun, easy to sing along with, and always makes me feel happy. What about you?
I like rock music, especially classic rock bands like the Beatles or Queen. I love the guitar sounds and powerful voices.
Oh, Queen, I love Bohemian Rhapsody. It's such a classic.
Yes, it's dramatic and creative. The song changes styles several times. It's like a small musical movie.
That's true. I also like ballads when I'm feeling relaxed. They're slow and emotional.
Right. So pop when you're happy, ballads when you're calm.
Exactly. Music really depends on mood, doesn't it?
Totally. Listeners, how about you? What kind of music do you like? Think about it in English. Try saying it out loud.
So, Alex, why do you think people love music so much?
Good question. I think music helps us express our feelings. When words aren't enough, music speaks for us.
That's beautiful. I agree. Music can make us feel happy, sad, excited, or even motivated.
Yes, for example, when I go jogging, I listen to energetic songs. They make me run faster.
Me too. And when I'm studying or working, I like calm background music. It helps me focus.
Exactly. Music is like a friend that matches your mood.
That's a nice way to put it. Music is a friend that understands you.
So, Emily, who are your favorite singers or bands?
I really like Taylor Swift. Her songs are catchy and her lyrics tell great stories.
Yes, she's amazing. She writes songs about real life and emotions.
Exactly. I think that's why so many people can relate to her songs.
For me, I really like Ed Sheeran. His music feels honest and simple, but very emotional.
Yes, his song Perfect is so romantic. I always sing along.
Me too, but not as perfectly as him.
Nobody can sing like Ed Sheeran, but it's fun to try.
Do you play any musical instruments, Emily?
A little. I can play the guitar. I learned some chords from YouTube.
That's awesome. I play the piano. It's relaxing for me.
Oh, nice. How long have you been playing?
About 5 years. I'm not a professional, but I can play some simple songs.
That's great. Playing an instrument is a wonderful skill. It helps you understand music better.
Exactly. And it's also a great way to reduce stress.
Right. When I'm tired or sad, I just pick up my guitar and play a little. It helps me feel better.
Music is part of our daily life. We listen to it everywhere, at home, in cars, in shops.
Yes, and at the gym too. Music gives people energy.
That's true. What kind of music do you like when you're driving?
When I drive, I like upbeat pop songs, something that makes the ride fun.
Same here. But when I study, I prefer instrumental music. No lyrics, just sound.
Good idea. Lyrics can be distracting sometimes.
Exactly. It's interesting how music changes the atmosphere.
What do you think about traditional music, Alex?
I respect it a lot. Traditional music shows the culture and history of a country.
I agree. In my country, traditional music often uses special instruments you can't find anywhere else.
That's beautiful. Modern music is fun, but traditional music keeps our roots alive.
Yes, I think both are important. Maybe we can enjoy both styles depending on the mood.
That's true. Listeners, do you know any traditional songs from your country? Try explaining one in English. It's great practice.
Let's talk about lyrics. Do you listen to the words carefully?
Yes, I do, especially when I want to improve my English. I read the lyrics and sing along.
That's a smart idea. Many English learners improve pronunciation by singing songs.
Exactly. You can learn new vocabulary and sentence patterns.
And it's fun, right? Singing is one of the best ways to remember words.
Yes. When I was learning English, I learned a lot from songs like Imagine by John Lennon.
Oh, that song is so meaningful. Music really teaches us life lessons. Do you think music can change your mood?
Definitely. If I feel sad and listen to cheerful songs, I start to feel better.
Me too. Music is like emotional magic.
That's a nice phrase, emotional magic. Music can heal the heart.
Yes, that's why people say, where words fail, music speaks.
I love that quote. It's so true.
Wow, Alex, we've been talking about music for almost 2 hours.
Time flies when the topic is this good.
So today we talked about music types, favorite singers, instruments, and even emotions.
Yes, and I hope our listeners learned some new English words and expressions along the way.
Exactly. And remember, learning English through music is one of the most enjoyable ways to study.
So true. Sing, listen, and learn. That's our advice for today.
Thank you for joining us on Podcast English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone, and keep listening to good music.